Did you hear about CodebuffAI? It coordinates different agents to edit code instead of relying on a single model.
Yeah, that sounds like a game changer. I mean, multiple agents working together could really streamline how code changes are made.
Exactly. So instead of just asking one model to add authentication, you get this whole team of agents working in sync.
Right, like a mini coding squad. That would make understanding the architecture easier too, right?
Totally, the File Explorer agent scans your codebase and maps out the necessary files for changes.
Wow, I hadn't thought about that. But what happens if the code is structured unexpectedly?
Well, that's where context comes in. These agents get better context understanding compared to single model tools.
I get that, but I wonder how well they handle more complex coding tasks that require deep logic.
Good point, the success rate is impressive, beating Claude Code for certain tasks. Still, there are complexities to consider.
Yeah, and the limitations of AI in capturing nuanced programming logic could still be a barrier.
Right, but when everything runs smoothly, it could genuinely improve coding productivity.
For sure. And imagine being able to easily create custom agents tailored to specific workflows.
Exactly. You could, for instance, write a Git committer agent that automatically creates meaningful commit messages.
That would save so much time. But I'm curious, what happens if agents start overwriting each other's changes?
That's one of the challenges. Having a reviewer agent helps validate changes before they're finalized.
Okay, that helps, but would it be enough to catch all potential errors?
Not always. I think it really depends on how well the validation process is designed.
Fair point. There's still potential for human oversight, especially with complex systems.
Exactly, it can't completely replace the need for human intuition and expertise.
Right, there's something comforting about knowing a human can catch the subtleties in the code.
Really, that's so true. But wait, what if CodebuffAI could learn from the human reviews and improve its processes?
Now that's an intriguing thought. That kind of feedback loop could definitely enhance its capabilities.
Exactly, it's this blend of AI convenience and human oversight that might strike that perfect balance.
But I wonder how that would affect the learning curve for new developers. It might be overwhelming.
Good point. Would beginners struggle with this multi-agent system, or would it help them learn?
Maybe it could speed up their learning process with guided suggestions, but that's still up for debate.
Absolutely. So the bigger question is, can we trust AI to assist without replacing crucial learning experiences?
I think that's the crux of the challenge. Letting technology support, not overshadow, the learning journey.
Exactly, and integrating such advanced tech might open doors for more collaborative projects in the future.
Very true. What a fascinating point. Collaboration between AI and human coders could redefine coding.
Right, but still, how do we navigate ethical challenges in AI-assisted coding?
That's the million-dollar question. Transparency in how AI makes suggestions would be vital.
For sure, and adding layers of accountability could foster trust in the AI systems we use.
Well, I guess we're really onto something here. It's not just about making coding easier.
Absolutely, it challenges how we think about collaboration between humanity and technology.
Exactly. So, where do you think this leaves the future of coding? Will it evolve in unexpected ways?
I think it might. Just imagine a world where developers curate AI, helping it learn and adapt continually.
That's a pretty compelling vision. It feels like a blend of mentorship and technology, doesn't it?
Exactly that, so I guess the key question remains, how can we harness these advancements while preserving creativity?
Yes, because in the end, creativity in coding could be what truly drives innovative tech forward.
So true, it's thrilling to think about where all this might lead us. Truly a journey worth exploring together.
I couldn't agree more. Can't wait to see how things unfold with tools like CodebuffAI. It's just the start.